Product name: jumper wire. Number: 3-pin. Type: female to female. Pitch: 2.54 mm. Pinhead size: each one 14 by 7 by 2. 5 mm, LWT. Total length: 10 cm, 4. Color: colorful. Material: plastic. Net weight: 9 grams. Package content: 5 PCs X jumper wires. Compatible with 2.54 mm spacing pin headers. Used in LED screen outside the wiring harness, inside the wiring harness, communication wiring harness, lamps, wiring harness design, etc. Harness design: processing. Processed automotive wiring harness heat appliance wiring harness, single harness, cable, computer wiring harness. Top reviews from the United States. 5 sets of triple short jumper wires that do the job. Comes just as in the picture on the website. These are only 10 centimeters, which is kind of short, if you somehow missed it on the description, and in case you need longer jumpers. You need to peel them apart as they are literally attached as in the picture. See my pictures as well. I have also removed the black socket piece off from one end as I need some soldering on that side, which revealed the wires are connected to the sockets very well. This is to connect the source to my little amplifier inputs and the ground, which fits just fine.